Meaning of fete.
Fate.
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 Fate. The word fete is a noun meaning a festive celebration or party. It can also be used as a verb to mean to honor or celebrate someone or something. Fete often includes entertainment, food, and decorations. It can be a public event or a private affair. Typically, a fete is characterized by its lively atmosphere and the sense of community it brings. Fete is commonly associated with summer celebrations in France and other parts of Europe. Overall, a fete is a joyful occasion intended for socializing and having fun.